Doors are more than simple entry points. They provide security, energy efficiency, and style to your Baytown home. Over time, however, even the best doors begin to show signs of wear that compromise their performance. Knowing when it's time to replace your doors can save you from higher utility bills, potential safety issues, and costly repairs later on. Here are the top signs that your Baytown home might need a door replacement. Difficulty opening and closing. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or doesn't latch properly, it's a clear indicator that it's no longer fitting correctly in its frame. Baytown's humid coastal climate can cause wooden doors to expand and contract over time, leading to warping. Metal doors can also swell due to moisture and temperature changes. While minor adjustments might help temporarily, persistent issues usually mean the door's structure or frame is compromised and replacement is the best long-term solution. Drafts or air leaks around the edges, feeling a breeze even when the door is closed. That's a telltale sign that your door is no longer properly sealed. Air leaks can cause your HVAC system to work overtime, raising energy costs and making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models designed for Baytown's coastal weather can dramatically improve your home's insulation and comfort year-round. Visible damage or decay. Cracks, dents, rust, or rot are more than cosmetic problems. They weaken your door's structure and reduce its ability to protect your home. Wood rot is particularly common in Baytown due to moisture and salty air, while steel doors can suffer from corrosion over time. If you notice soft spots, peeling paint, or rust stains, it's time to consider a replacement before the damage spreads further or compromises security. Rising energy bills. A sudden or gradual increase in your heating or cooling costs may indicate that your door is no longer energy efficient. Older doors often lack proper insulation or have deteriorating weather stripping, allowing conditioned air to escape. Replacing your doors with insulated fiberglass or steel options featuring energy-efficient cores and tight seals can lower your bills and boost your home's comfort, a smart investment for Baytown homeowners. Condensation between glass panes. Many modern entry and patio doors feature double or triple pane glass for insulation. If you notice fog or moisture trapped between the panes, the seal has failed. This not only affects visibility but also means your door is losing thermal efficiency. In Baytown's humid environment, this issue can worsen quickly, leading to mold or mildew buildup. A replacement with high-performance, insulated glass can restore clarity and improve efficiency. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, a door replacement isn't just about function, it's about form. Your front door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal and overall value. If your door looks dated, faded, or mismatched with recent renovations, a new one can make a dramatic difference. Baytown homeowners often opt for modern fiberglass or custom steel doors that mimic natural wood while providing superior durability against weather and wear. Reduced security or poor fit. If your door no longer closes tightly or the locks don't align properly, it could be a serious security risk. Weak hinges, damaged frames, and thin materials make it easier for intruders to gain entry. Newer doors come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials, essential features for peace of mind and enhanced home protection. Final thoughts. Your doors are vital to your home's safety, comfort, and appearance. Ignoring signs of deterioration can lead to bigger problems down the road, from energy loss to compromised security. For Baytown homeowners, replacing old doors with modern, energy-efficient, and weather-resistant options is an investment in both value and peace of mind. Whether you're looking to upgrade your front entry, patio, or interior doors, a professional door replacement service can ensure precision installation and long-lasting performance. Keep your Baytown home protected, beautiful, and efficient, starting with the right door.